Welcome to CDG Inspection, your trusted partner in ASTM B117 salt spray testing. Ensure your automotive components can withstand harsh conditions with ASTM B117 testing. Simulating years of environmental exposure in days, this test proves product reliability. CDG Inspection proudly serves diverse industries, ensuring superior product performance. Our advanced facilities guarantee precise and reliable testing results every time. With expertise and accuracy, CDG Inspection is your go-to for quality assurance. We deliver clear, detailed reports to help you refine your products effectively. Our tests fast-track corrosion assessments, saving you valuable time. We tailor testing solutions to meet your product's unique needs. Guarantee your automotive parts durability with our specialized testing services. Our global network ensures seamless service, wherever you are. We help you meet international standards, boosting your product's marketability. Join our satisfied clients who trust CDG Inspection for world-class testing. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry and learn more about our services. CDG Inspection, ensuring quality, one test at a time. Visit us today.